Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can crash someone PC and another thing that you can also restore it at the same time. So don't worry, it will not harm your PC. It's just a trick that you can use to impress your friends. So without any further ado, let's do it. First of all, here you can see in my PC everything is working fine. Here you can see I open this PC by just simply double clicking. Here you can see I can open the Chrome. You get the point that can I do anything normally in my PC. Now press Ctrl Shift Escape on your PC. This window will be pop up. Here you will see the window explorer. Simply right click on this window explorer. Here click on go to details. Here you will find this explorer.exe. Just simply right click on it and here click on in task. Here you will see this prompt message. If any program is suited with this process, it will close and you will lose any unserved data. If you end a system process, it might result in the system instability. Are you sure you want to continue? Just simply click on end process and boom, your PC has been crashed. Now if you do anything, nothing has been working in your PC. If you press Window plus E, nothing is opening. If you press Window plus R, nothing open. If you do anything, if you press anything, nothing will be work in your PC. But if you want to restore your PC again, just simply press Ctrl Shift Escape again and here click on this run new task option. Here just simply type explorer.exe, then hit enter. Once you hit the enter, a new task will be created and your PC will be restored into the normal status. So in this way you can crash your PC and impress your friend, and then again you can restore your PC. So if you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you can receive notification about further videos. And I will see you in the next video.